change is possible and imminent. Like before I came, I wanted to change, but I really didn't know how. I wasn't motivated to do it, and I think the things that I've heard and experienced during this retreat have really sort of solidified in me something that makes me want to move forward and really.
So yeah, a whole new person.
I'm Aria Shell, and it's the work here, the Five Changes work, the accelerated change work, has transformed my vision of what's possible, of what I can achieve, what I can become, who I am, really. It's not in the future.
Kind of expansiveness of the landscape and of the teachers.
Are problems inherent in the world, or are we imagining problems that actually aren't really problems at all?
And the thing that I really have now is my dignity back, and I want to say thank you for that.
It's all just happening.
It allows me to integrate the meaningful work I do in my life, and it allows me to, help sustain the movement work that I do, the political work I do.
Take the coastline, take the shore, take the estuary. Take the dragons in the den, take the sanctuary. Sometimes I get the phone, and sometimes it feels like home.